Hey up guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have this beauty for sale. It is a Honda CBR1000RR Fireblade. Super clean thing. It's the RR8, so it's the newer shape from the 2007 one. So a massive difference in shape to the overall bike. You also got that digital display on there as well, and the side exhaust on these rather than the under seat. So 08 plate, it's on 13,607 miles. It's a bike we sold previously, and it is absolutely beautiful. So we're very happy to sell it again. It's got the seat cowl on there, it's got the tail tidy, but we have also got the rear seat for it too. And here at the front, it's also got the Motografix kit to protect it against stone chips and stuff. So it's a lovely thing. So if you do fancy it, give us a call or get down to the showroom and get it bought. Cheers.
My name is Nick, and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb. We are really fussy, and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish. And we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.